Girls, yeah.
I said looking for
I'm a Yoruba boy, so
Yeah.
Today's such a good day. Nobody literally showed up for today.
I've been moving calm, no start, no trouble on me. Tryna keep.
Mr. Joshua, why are you hiding your face though? Hi everybody, good morning. My name is Mayo Dada, and if this is your first time stopping by on my channel, be sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat, and you know all that. But anyways, today I decided to do a week in my life college vlog, but today there's a problem. It's raining, and today's Monday, and I have a test at 11. I think I have a test, I'm not sure, but I'm supposed to, and I'm actually hoping that, you know, my test gets cancelled and everything. And I have my wig. I was supposed to wear it today, but I had to wash it because I just came back from a conference, and I already vlogged this video last week. I had to redo this all over again. It's usually a very busy day for me, so I'm going to be back by, ordinarily my class ends at 8:20 today, but then I have to work and, you know, make sure all my homeworks are like done in time-ish. So yeah, I will see you guys in a while. Oh yeah, my closet is open. Just act like you don't see that. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. I have a class at, what's it called? I have a class at 1, but it's 12 o'clock, 12:20 now, right now. But I had to go get my lab work done because, you know, I had a conference, so I couldn't finish all my homework that I was supposed to be due today. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to do right now. But it's been raining all morning. I literally have my umbrella right now. So I just got back from class, I think. Okay, so I just got back from a class that got cancelled, and I literally just cleaned up my room. I feel like this is the neatest my room has been in a long time. I cleaned this room for like an hour. I'm about to go to my next class and, you know, do what people do in class.
The allure, me, I'm hungry for more. First it rains and it pours, man, they love the allure. But I'm hungry for more. First it rains and it pours, I'm just trying to hold on.
So I just got back from, what's it called, from my last class. It's probably 7 o'clock right now, I'm not sure. Originally the class was supposed to end at 8:20, but today ended at 7. I don't know, I don't have a clock, and between my phone's broken. But now I'm about to, you know, make myself a little bit, you know, I'm trying to make myself dinner and, you know, rest a little bit for like an hour and study, pretty much.
Clouds will you follow, shake down, I break down, will you holler? Made now, I'm paid now, will you honor me? Straight round, I fade out, will you bother? Times I don't need to know, trying to make sure I feed my own. If you with again deep, if you ain't let be through the streets, I'll creep, bro, rich or not. Up in the clouds, will you follow me? Straight round, I fade out, will you bother? Times I don't need to know, trying to make sure I feed my own. If you with again deep, if you ain't let be.
Oh, that's your new camera.
She's vlogging.
Yes. It's cute.
Tell me about it.
Get out of here.
I've been moving calm, no start, no trouble on me. Tryna keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cut on me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. I guess I see the things that they be wishing on me. I hope I got some sisters that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, she was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't, yeah. I feel good sometimes I don't, yeah. I finesse down with the road, yeah, finesse. Michael down.
Today's such a good day. Nobody literally showed up for tutoring, and I'm literally so excited, like literally happy. I like when nobody shows up, and then sometimes when I have nothing to do, I don't like it because I actually like tutoring people. But anyways, nobody showed up for tutoring, and right now I'm just about to get my own work done. And by the way, today's Tuesday. Forgot to mention that. Anyways, I just got off work and I'm about to go to my next class. I'm literally late, but yeah, see you guys later. I'm about to go in because you know I can't cook today, so that's pretty much what I'm about to do right now before I go back to my room to go study.
Get it on me, 81. The dog wind crashes through the party. Michael time is G.O.D. Yeah, wait, yeah.
Okay, so right now I have a class at 11 and it's like 10:57. I don't even know if I'm gonna make it to the class early because I have a quiz and I'm literally still vlogging. Anyways, yeah, I have a class, about to go to class, and I'll see you guys later. This is Ayobami.
Yeah, so what's going on? People
We're waiting for work thinking.
Yeah, you know.
So
yeah, I'm fresh and I'm looking for girls, you know.
I said looking for.
I'm a Yoruba boy, so no relationships, no serious anything. Just
Are you being serious? You want me to put it there?
Yes.
Swear.
Yes, nothing
I'll put
serious.
his Instagram I'm doing it.
Yeah,
so
my
you
number if you don't mind. Yeah.
SMH for him.
You get me.
Ignore him.
Shaku shaku.
Wait, we look good in the camera though. So today we have this whole Valentine shit going on in my school, and I came for free food. And this is what I've got.
Serious? Let me see.
I got a lot of shit. Yeah, this is what I got. Okay, so today I have one class, but then I have to work all day. I'm actually supposed to be at work right now, but I feel like my boss can understand. But anyways, yeah, I'm supposed to be at work now, but after work, yeah, I have a class, and that's it. And then I go to the gym, my usual routine. Yeah, but today's Thursday. Forgot to mention that today's Thursday. Okay, Joshua. Okay, Joshua with the swag. Mr. Joshua, why are you hiding your face though? Really? 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 Hello? Really? Joshua, put your face on the vlog though. Okay. It's 6:14 and I'm about to step to the gym. And you know, I gotta, you know, get my body in shape by summer. But yeah, I'm about to go to the gym.
Up in the clouds will you follow? Shake down, I break down, will you holler? Made now, I'm paid now, will you honor me? Straight round, I fade out, will you bother? Times I don't need to know. Tryna make sure I feed my own. If you would again deep, if you ain't let be through the streets, I creep, bro, rich or not. Up in the clouds will you follow me? Shake down, I break down, will you holler? Made now, I'm paid now, will you honor me? Straight round.
Today's the last day of the vlog, and I'm literally happy. I'm actually happy. I'm looking tired of having to hold a camera every now and then while having to explain to people. But yeah, today's the last day, and I'm about to go to work, and then after I go to class. I have a class at 11, but right now it's like 10-ish. I'm looking late, but I'm not late because I was supposed to do something before going to work, which I already did yesterday. She doesn't have to know that. But yeah, I have to go to work. See you guys later. I just wanted to end the vlog properly. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to hit that little subscribe button down below. Subscribe to, yeah, once again, I don't know why I always say that word all over again. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. Hit that little like button if you enjoyed it. You know, share it. Let somebody that is trying to go to college see what college is all about. I mean, this is just a little bit of what college is about, but you get the point. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, share, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them